Anything you add from here is much faster because you can skip the design tool and the export process completely. That project in the Claude Code tab is still connected to your site, so Claude can read the pages it already built and the colors and the fonts it set up. It doesn't need Claude Design anymore. It lays out the new page and builds it straight into WordPress in one step, matching what's already there. The new page needs pictures, so this is where I show you the free stock photo route I mentioned earlier. We'll install a plugin, and then Claude can use it too. So let's install a plugin called Instant Images. It pulls from several of the big free stock photo libraries straight into your WordPress media library, and everything in there is cleared for commercial use. There's no account to make and no key to paste in. On your WordPress admin page, hover over Plugins, then click Add Plugin. In the search bar, search for Instant Images. And this is the one you want here, the one by Connect HQ. Go ahead and install now, and then activate. And that's all you have to do to connect it. You can scroll down and find Instant Images and click Get Images. Here you can browse the library yourself if you'd like, but because it's a plugin on your website, Claude can use it as well, which is what the last line of this next prompt does. This one's in the prompt pack too. Let me show you. Here in the prompt pack, grab prompt number 8, copy it, head over to Claude, and paste it in. Now there's a couple spots that you need to fill in here. These spots in the brackets. Here we're going to say, design and build a new Elementor page on my site for, and then give it a purpose. For me, we're going to make a dedicated page for the service hardscaping. Then the prompt says to read the existing pages and match the style. If you want to make it a subpage of a different page, you can tell it which one to do that here or delete this line here where the brackets are. But I want to make it a subpage of services. And then here it says for imagery, use the Instant Images plugin I have installed to find stock photos that match the existing images on my site. Of course, feel free to modify this last line if you want to continue using Artlist, that's fine, or upload your own images and mention them. But here I'm going to demo Instant Images, so let's go ahead and submit that. All right, Claude built it, so let's go check it out. Let's go to the website by clicking on it in the upper left. And then here now we can see that Services has a drop down, and under it is Hardscaping, our new page. Let's check it out. And here we go. It pulled in some images from Instant Images. Scrolling down, we can see some additional ones here. These look really nice. Now, of course, you have other options here. Here it's saying recent work, 3 we finished this season. So for this business, I would probably swap these out for real projects as opposed to using stock or AI images. But as placeholders, these are excellent. For your own site, if you did want to use AI images for a page like this, you could go back to Claude and paste our next prompt. This is prompt 9 in the prompt pack. Generate images for a page. Go ahead and copy this one, paste it in, and then it says this page in the prompt, but if you need to specify a certain page, you could do that. So I'll say the hardscaping page and then submit that. We'll give it a few minutes to work. It finished working, so let's check it out. We'll refresh the page, and there we go. Brand new images. These look excellent. Speaking of making new pages, what about if you wanted to add a blog? WordPress got its start as a blogging platform, and to this day, it's still incredibly useful as a content management system or CMS. Using Claude, setting up a blog is easier than ever. Let me show you. Find prompt 10 in the prompt pack and go ahead and copy it. Return to Claude and paste it in. There's not much here that you need to modify, but go ahead and read through it to make sure you understand it. Then submit it. And like all our other requests, after a few minutes, it finishes. So let's go check it out. We'll refresh the page. And there's a blog. Here's our first post. This is just a placeholder post to get us started, but you can see we already have the style of everything baked in here, so any future blogs we post will match how everything on the website looks, giving everything a cohesive, consistent aesthetic. To create a new blog post, simply hover over the new button in the top bar and then click Post. Or to edit your current post, click Edit Post in the top bar, and that'll take you to this Gutenberg editor. It looks a little bit different than the Elementor editor. It's designed to be a little simpler, but editing in it is super simple. Just click the plus button to add elements, and then you can add paragraphs, images, headings, and much more from here. Whenever you're done editing a blog post, click Save. If you've just been watching and you haven't been following along step by step, it's time to build. Use the link on screen or the one in the description to claim an additional 10% off any hosting or plan and get your site started. Thanks for watching. Now go build something awesome.